Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you 10 latest defense updates in today's video. Number 1, PM Modi unveils statue of Mahatma Gandhi in Japan's Hiroshima. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who is in Japan at the invitation of Fumio Kishida to attend the G7 summit, unveiled the bust of Mahatma Gandhi in Hiroshima on Saturday. After the bust was unveiled, PM Modi paid floral tributes to Mahatma Gandhi. Next, 2 drones from Pak shot down in Punjab. 2 packets with drugs recovered. 2 Pakistani drones were shot down. A drone from Pakistan violated Indian airspace and was intercepted by fire troops. During search, the drone has been recovered by BSF. Further search ops underway. Details follow. Next, India-US discuss co-producing jet engines, long-range artillery, infantry vehicles. Ahead of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's official state visit to the US, officials of both countries have intensified their discussions on co-producing jet engines, long-range artillery and infantry vehicles under the Initiative on Critical and Emerging Technologies, that is ICET. Next, in counter cyber attacks, Indian hackers paralyzes Pakistan embassy website. In a bold act of retaliation, Indian hackers have reportedly launched a cyber attack to paralyze 10 Pakistani embassy websites in a widespread distributed denial of service attack, as reported by Times Now News. This development highlights the escalating cyber warfare between the two countries and leaves a significant digital impact. Next, Navy begins sea trials of Kalvari class submarine Vaghsheer. The Indian Navy's 6th and final Kalvari class submarine Vaghsheer has begun its sea trials and is expected to be commissioned into the force by early next year. The commissioning of the submarine, built under Project 75, is set to enhance the Navy's combat capability at a time when China has been increasing its presence in the Indian Ocean region. Next, PM Modi, Ukraine President Zelensky may hold bilateral meet in Japan. Senior diplomats of India and Ukraine are exploring the possibility of a bilateral meeting between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky on the sidelines of the G7 summit in Hiroshima. People familiar with the matter said today. Next, Qatar-gate bribery. Does EU's infamous scandal targeting Kashmir have Turkish-Pak roots? Comment. The European Parliamentary Qatar-gate bribery scandal is now touching Indian shores. A number of websites in Europe have reportedly having various countries and individuals seems to influencing the Jammu and Kashmir narrative in Europe. In the latest, the South Asia Press, run by exiled Pakistani journalist Taha Siddiqui, says that with the latest revelations, Turkey and Pakistan have been linked to the Qatargate scandal through Turkish-British lawyer Hakan Kamuz. Next, Imran Khan says Nawaz Sharif wanted better relationship with India and Israel. In a recent development, Pakistani Prime Minister Imran Khan has made a significant claim, stating that former Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif requested the Pakistani army to halt its support for terrorism against India. Imran Khan's statement shed light on the internal dynamics within Pakistan's political and military establishment concerning cross-border terrorism. Next, Armenia to appoint military attache to India. The government has adopted a decision on appointing a military attaché at its embassy in India, considering that there is a great potential for cooperation between the two countries in the military and military technical sphere. Really excited to host PM Modi in June, says US official. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's official state visit to the US at the invitation of President Joe Biden is a great opportunity for the two leaders to underscore deep ties between the two largest democracies of the world, a senior State Department official has said.